from the cab, you can see how as soon as we get going there, I'm starting with the crown. It really chews up that crown nicely. It doesn't matter that it come across some rocks, and I'm only running in standard flow right now. The 10-inch drum is doing a fantastic job. Back from the cab. This is only our second pass, and when in comparison to the beginning, you can see how the crown in the middle is already completely gone, and now we're just going on both sides of the edge of the laneway there, and it's already night and day, so truly impressed. Now with our third pass, what a world of a difference it has made already. All that under 1 hour so